Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can purchase vehicle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to buy vehicle, you need to go to the vehicle store and you can find the vehicle store by finding this NPC, Andrew, and you can track him on the map. Okay, this is Andrew. You can track him and then you're going to go to the vehicle store. All right, and here you'll be able to buy motorcycle and also sedan, and then the white convertible. You can buy it with the stars or with the golds. You can buy the mountain bike, and it's up to you guys. And make sure that your gold is enough to buy the vehicle. And okay guys, that's how you can purchase vehicle in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.